If you are looking for a video that gives you the best and the most easiest way to do top-down analysis, then this is the video you want to watch, because in this video, yes, this particular video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide to analyze any kind of pair from top to bottom. Oh, I don't know if you are getting the Santa Lebosha. How about that? Let's go. Now, as you can see, I have done the write-ups down for you. All you have to do is to save this video and also pause the video and write them out so that you can use it by yourself, right? So let's go. Now, we are going to be officially analyzing this pair volatility 50s on synthetic indices. The first thing we need to do is to go to 24-hour and mark out key levels of resistance and support. That is the only thing we are doing on 24 hours. Mark out support and resistance, a level or a key level where the market will highly respect. Now, as you can see, I have done that. I have marked out this level. See, this is 24 hours level. So there's a tendency the market will always respect or always react to that level. You can see right there, I've done the same thing here. Now, go to 4 hour, identify the market trend. Now, the trend is in three phases. Either it's an uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation. Make sure you come to a conclusion on that. On the 4 hour, come to a conclusion. Is this market uptrend? Is this market downtrend? Or is this market consolidation? Then also identify structure if there is any. Also mark out smart money concept zones or ICT zones like demand and supply. Those mark out the zones if you have any. Now, as you can see, I'm on the 4 hour time frame. What trend am I seeing right now? Is this a downtrend? Is this an uptrend? Or is it a consolidation? As you can see, this is officially a downtrend. I can actually see a structure right here, and I can mark out the structure like I said, if you find any. You can also mark out your structure on 1 hour, which is majorly where it works, but we can also do it on the 4 hour. So let's mark out structure if I can find any structure. As you can see, I've officially marked out the level. This is the previous low that was broken, causing the market structure shift, and this is also the market structure shift at the top that refused to break the high. Now you see we came all the way down here, and the market is officially going upward into this 4 hour supply zone. Remember, you can mark out any zone if you can find on the higher time frame, which is the 4 hour time frame, like I said from here. 4 hour, identify the market trend, identify structure if there is any, and also mark out SMC zones if there is any, and we officially found out any of these, right? Now that we are good with this, we have to now focus on the current market level. We can see that the market is officially going upward right now, right? You see the market is officially going up, and you can see that it's reacting to the daily time frame level. You can see that it's reacting to that level. Now go to 1 hour and mark out the market structure in line with the 4 hour, and we have officially done that already on the 4 hour. Good enough. Now all we need to mark out our SMC zone for possible reversal. Now this is the zones that I was asking us to mark out on the 1 hour time frame, which is the structure, a downward structure, right? But we've officially marked it out on 4 hours already, which is very good for us. All we have to focus now is this market moving upward all the way here. So the market is currently on an uptrend on the 1 hour time frame. We are focusing on this level. Lastly, go to 15 minutes and identify a market structure to your direction. Now, can either be a BOS between your character or a candlestick rejection, so that you don't get confused. You officially know that we are supposed to be going upward to hit this zone, right? So now the market is reacting to this level of resistance, this key level daily time frame. All we need is the market to break this level, retest it, and then we enter for the buy, right? Wait for it to break it, retest the level before we officially take a buy to the top, and then we continue for a very long swing low. Does that make sense? Now let's go to 15 minutes and look for our entry. Now this is the 15 minutes time frame, and you can see I've marked out the structure. Like I said, that the market is still going up. Don't forget, the market is going all the way to this 4 hour supply zone. So all we just need is for the market to go all the way, break this break of structure, retest this level, this daily time frame key zone, then we take a buy all the way to the top. Now it's as easy as that. Now you can follow this top-down analysis step for any kind of pair. All you have to do is to master it, okay? Master it, and you'll be very, very good at it. Make sure you follow me for more videos like this. Also, remember to save this video.